Doctor, there must be some other important aspects that we need to pass on to non-Muslims. Could you tell us a little bit more about those?
These two are the most important aspects which no one will dispute. Number one, Tawheed. Number two is Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. There may be different opinion which is the third, which is the fourth, which is the fifth. The third is life after death, about salvation. Then you can talk about Salah. You can talk about Zakat. You can talk about Ramadan, fasting. You can talk about Hajj. In short, when we speak to non-Muslim, we should first try and find out what interest. If the interest in literature, we talk about literature. If the interest in science, we talk about science. So to begin with, after trying to remove his misconception, we try and find out what interests him. And depending upon what is interested, if he's a scientist, I will talk about Quran and modern science. And try and convince him in the field which he likes. And then come to Tawheed, Risalat, and the other aspects.
Inshallah. Jazakallah khair. What are the various means by which dawah can be done with non-Muslims?
The various means that today a person can use after science and technology has advanced is, one is giving dawah live, one-to-one basis, or giving a talk in public. That's a common way. But in terms of using means, we can use the print media. That is, print media is periodical, non-periodical. Non-periodical are booklets, literature, pamphlets. Periodical are magazines, newsletters, whether daily, weekly, monthly, bi-monthly, quarterly, yearly. Besides print media, we have the audio media. You can use audio cassettes and CDs and TATs. You can use on the Walkman while walking. You can use in the offices. You can convey the message of Islam by giving lectures on the audio tapes, CDs, etc. It can be used besides on individual level. It can be used in offices. It can be used gathering, in parties, in functions. It can be used on the radio broadcast stations on a wider scale. The third is the video media, whether it be video cassettes, video tapes, CDs, DVDs. On the larger scale, whether it be the cable TV, whether it be the satellite channels. And the fourth is the internet or the information technology, through the website, through the emails. So these are, besides the individual dawah and the public lectures, there are 4 different means of doing dawah.
Okay. Jazakallah khair once again, Dr. Zakir.